How to recover your hacked Facebook account. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how you can fix if your Facebook account has been hacked. The first thing you're going to have to do is simply open up your web browser, and once you've done that you can just open up a new tab and then simply search for Facebook account recovery. Now once you've searched for it, you can just go ahead and tap on the first link that you see by Facebook's Help Center. So simply tap on Facebook app Help Center and they'll help you get back your account. So all you have to do here is if you just go back, tap on the first link that you see. Here you'll just have to tap on the option where it says if you think your account has been hacked, tap on this account has been hacked option. Then from here you can, if someone has hacked your account, you can visit facebook.com/hacked on a device you've used to log in Facebook before. So let's just head over there. And then you can choose how you found out that your account was hacked. So let's just tap on I found an account which uses my name or photos. Tap on continue. Then from here, it will give you this option, but this is not going to help us. So what we're going to do is just go back and let's just choose the other option where it says someone else got into my account without my permission. Tap on continue. Just wait for a bit. Now here you can get started to make your account secure. So just wait for a bit. You're gonna have to change your password. So it will see all of the security verifications and check for you. And once the recovery process is complete, you can just tap on continue. And then here you can enter your current password, the latest one that you think, create a new one and retype your new password and change it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.